This Audi RS5 is more powerful than a C63 or M4. It's so much less firm than the opposition. And quieter. And less aggressive. And it doesn't feel quite as quick, given its 50 bhp down on an Alfa Giulia Quadrifoglio or a Mercedes C63. So says we when we drove the Audi RS5 last year. Seems someone was listening, and the folks over at Tuner ABT have responded to each area with the limited run ABT RS5R. It's stiffer, with new height-adjustable springs and KW coil-over suspension. There's a 4-pipe sports exhaust system. ABT fits far more aggressive 21-in wheels, 2 inches up on standard, and some notable aerodynamic bits, including dive planes on the front bumper. Perhaps most notably, there's another 79 bhp, the RS5R producing 523 bhp and 509 pounds-foot, enough for a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 3.6 seconds, which is 0.3 seconds quicker than standard. Just 50 ABT RS5Rs will be made, each with an appropriate plaque inside its far more carbon-clad interior. There aren't prices yet, but they'll likely be announced when the car is revealed at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show. Like what you see?